guys, welcome back to a visual Bukkit tutorial. Today I'm gonna be going through events, and we're gonna start with doing player interact event. So now I'm gonna player interact events is basically when a player interacts with an item or right clicks on the item basically. So I'm gonna start with adding if statement. Gonna right click that boolean there and add insert equals. This is basically like I'm gonna get two things, and if they are equal they will do something. So number one is gonna, the first item is gonna be, the first object is gonna be get item. I'm gonna player interact event get item, and I'm gonna do new item stack with lore, and the material is gonna be, it's gonna be a diamond. The name of that diamond is gonna be speed diamond, and the lore is gonna be I'm just gonna add a string, go to the bottom, and the lore is gonna be right click to get speed. So if they right click speed diamond, an item named speed diamond will lore named right click to get speed, they are gonna potion. I'm gonna add new potion. Okay, be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna have create. I'm not that good with effects, but I'm gonna have create effect. Okay, I managed speeds, and there I'm gonna get speed for 1 minute. And why I'm typing 1200 instead of 1 minute is because 20 ticks is, this is ticks, so 20 ticks is 1 second, so I'm gonna add duration for 1 minute, that is 1200 if my calculation are right, and I'm gonna add speed 2. After they have gotten this effect, I'm gonna send a message to the person who right click to the player interact event get player, and the message is gonna be you now have speed. So now I'm gonna, because they have to have a method to get this, so I'm just gonna copy that and player death event. So when a player dies, they're gonna set item in inventory, so that now I'm gonna drop item, so I'm gonna drop item in the world. I'm not gonna set this to only that. I'm just gonna paste the item that, because this has to be exactly the same as this. If it's not, it's not gonna work. And the world, I'm gonna set entity get world, and the entity is the player death event, and the location is get location of, I'm gonna get location of the entity, and the entity is of course player death event. And so this has, now when a player dies, they're gonna drop an item called speed diamond, a diamond called speed diamond, and that's gonna have a lore of right click to get speed. And I'm also gonna, no, I'm just gonna build a plugin now and see if it works. Okay, so I'm in Minecraft now. I'm gonna reload the server. And okay, so now I'm gonna test. First I'm just gonna go into a house and just steal this bed and go to survival mode and just kill myself. And now I'm gonna check, and I got diamond. You can see it's called speed diamond and it says right click to get speed. So now I'm gonna do right click that, and of course it doesn't work. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and check what I did wrong. Okay, I think I figured out what I did. I never set the name of the person who's gonna get the potion effect. So I'm just gonna add potion effect. And I'm just gonna create effect. Potion effect type, create effect of the speed and duration 1 minute. Amplifier 2, and the living entity is the player death event. No, the player interact event, I mean. Interact event. Get player. I can remove that. And I also realized that I didn't do remove item. Because after I right click it, they're gonna remove the item from the inventory. Inventory holder, get inventory of the player interact event. Player interact event. So now get player and list, and the object is the speed diamond. So now I'm gonna build the plugin and try again. Okay, so I'm gonna reload the server now. And now if I right click this, I got speed 2 and the item disappeared. So the plugin now works. So I have speed now, and if I die, I drop this, and if I right click it, I get speed. So it works. So yeah, now we're gonna make this a little bit advanced. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is, instead of, I'm gonna add another event. Just gonna find it. I don't remember the name. Okay, player chat event. So now I'm gonna add a little fun thing called emojis. So now I'm gonna add the if statement is equal. So now I'm gonna add the player chat event, and I'm gonna get message, and if that message is equal to oof, we want to set the message they're saying to oof. So now I'm gonna try this. Okay, so now I have reloaded the server and I'm gonna check. If I type oof, my message just says to oof. I don't know why it didn't set to, I have to change that to that, and it will set better, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So done. Now that is set to oof. Yeah, and you can add as many of these you want. And if you want emojis, I can link in the description a website for emojis. And now I have all this, and I think we're done. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.